Hi, everyone. In this video, we're going to answer two questions regarding the definition of continuity of a function. So in G, it says, if a function is continuous on the intervals a to b, not including a and b, and the interval b to c, where we include b this time, then the function is also continuous on a to c. Choose the best answer below. So whenever we say that a function is continuous on some interval, what we mean is that at every point on that interval, the function is continuous. So we first define continuity pointwise, so at each point, and then we say that a function in general is continuous or continuous on some domain if it's continuous at each point in that domain. So in this case, it says that it's continuous on a to b, and then also continuous on b to c. So any point in these two intervals